Hey everyone, welcome back to Cleanastic. Today's review is about Scotch Brite Heavy Duty Scrub Sponge. So, why do I use this sponge? Scotch Brite is made of high quality material, making it gentle on hands and easy to use on different surfaces. You don't need to worry about getting scratches due to too much scrubbing. It is important to use a sponge that can work on different surfaces to save on costs. Scotch Brite is pocket-friendly considering that it can clean multiple surfaces. The sponge is also effective for both indoor and outdoor. Scotch Brite Scrub Sponge is effective on soaking excess liquid from surfaces within a very short time. If you liked that video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.
If you liked our review on Scotch Brite Heavy Duty Sponge Scrub, this is a very good sponge scrub to clean your dishes, the wall, the table, everything for your kitchen cleaning. So if you liked the video, please subscribe and like, and stay tuned to our next review.